yet. My what, sir? Look at that cute face. I love. All right, y'all. So a little bit of an update. We have been packing. Today's day 2. I have a lot to do, so I'm like, but patience is a virtue. So right now we're gonna take a little break and we're gonna go to a donation bin and donate just like a bunch of clothes that have been laying around for so freaking long. Our move-in is on Friday and today is Monday. My arm hurts from holding this camera up. Yeah, guys, I'm super excited to move into our new place. It's been a long time overdue, so I'm really happy to bring you guys along with us.
Just 2?
Yes.
Route 44, peach sweet teas. Yeah.
Add a whole cherry to mine. It is Wednesday. I was actually supposed to work today, but with it being slow season, it didn't really need me today. So it was actually kind of perfect because now I can get stuff done that I need to get done. Because as I probably mentioned before, we're moving in on Friday. And so that means I work tomorrow and then I'll have tomorrow evening to finish whatever it is that I need to finish before move-in day. Right now, I'm just about to make my little bagel schmagel, my little snack. It is 11 a.m. So I'm just gonna fuel my body real quick before I go do some errands. Guys, tell me why my fiance literally packed every pair of our shoes. I'm running my errands in. I have to go inside of the bank with these. They're super cute, but I'm just like, really? So I just have these to wear, which is fine. They're not like sleeping slippers, but still.
My city, I'm posing a rack. When I keep flying with a butterfly tag. Name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still pinch and check me.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
We want a sectional, but I want like a smaller sectional because I don't think the living room is going to be terribly big to where you could fit something like this. So a sectional, but a smaller one. I love the tables with the bench. That is so cute. We already have a table, but we need the chairs for the table. So I don't know how that's, yeah, we're still looking, but I don't know. I didn't really see anything in here that caught my eye, so we'll have to keep looking. Good morning, guys. It's Friday, aka move-in day. I'm trying to call my fiance's phone because he can't find it. We're on our way to the complex right now to get our keys, and I'm so excited. I did wake up with a headache, so I was a little annoyed. I just took some ibuprofen. Now I'm eating a little slice of watermelon to try to just get something in my system. Long story short, I've had a really long week. Like, I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, and then I haven't even gone to work. Like, I went to work one day of the week, but just from like packing and not really getting much sleep, I've kind of just been feeling off, so I had a headache. So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
I was chilling.
There's no joke, it's not popping up. You open it first? So this is his closet. Yeah. And over here to the right is gonna be mine.
What's gonna be who?
This one's mine, and that one's yours. Cute, right? For the bathroom comes from the kitchen and Oki's room. We love our little place, but we're not gonna show all of it. I'm excited to pick up our daughter later to show her because she's gonna be so freaking excited. She's been talking about her room forever. What I love in here is the natural lighting. Sunset photos, baby girl. We're home. I like how he takes the shoes off. I think from here on out, we're just going to start moving stuff in, and obviously later we have to go to the store and get like things that we need, necessities. I have like a whole list at home, groceries, stuff like that. So we're gonna start moving in and we're gonna feel the vibe.
Here, and you hit the one right here and it just goes.
Those two are. Just picked it back up when we're like all.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he.
I'm gonna lie to y'all right now. I am tired. I put my hair up.
It's beauty in the struggle, yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my.
So it is Sunday, September 10th. It's currently 1:30 p.m. and I am just getting started on some more unpacking. Yes, I know. Oh, hold on. Fiance's calling. Hello? Okay. I love you, bye. We were at my parents' last night watching the fights and, you know, some good friends came over, having some drinks together. So we slept in a little longer than we wanted to this morning. So we're just kind of getting everything started now. I'm gonna do some unboxing with you guys. My parents ordered a bed set for Oakland. So she has a bed, a dresser, and a nightstand coming in, I think Saturday. And then my parents also got Josette and I a bed. So shout out to my parents because I'm literally so blessed to have a family that is so supportive, and like my parents are there no matter freaking what. So my parents are freaking amazing and I'm literally so thankful for them. Camera died when I was showing you these, but these are the bowls. Aren't these so cute? I'm literally obsessed with these. I was like debating when we were trying to find a place forever ago. I was debating on what I wanted like my dinnerware and stuff to look like, but then I was like, girl, who are you trying to fool? You know you want matte black. Like, that's just my vibe. So I knew that I had to go with my gut instinct. These are the smaller plates. So I'm gonna also load these into the dishwasher so that everything can now start getting washed. I don't know if you guys saw my dilemma, but the dishwasher is so weird. Like, the little where your plates and stuff are supposed to go, they're like designed to be at like a slant. So these plates would like, they're too thick and they wouldn't fit in there correctly. So if you saw how I loaded my dishwasher, don't judge me because it's the way that the dishwasher is. These plates will not fit in there how the dishwasher is designed. So I had to kind of like maneuver it and do it my own way. I also forgot to show you guys my cute little knife set that my parents also got me for Christmas. This is the holder. It's super classy, you guys. And so it came with all of these too, which was super cute, little ones. And where are the knives? I should have threw these in the dishwasher. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, September 12th. It's noon and I'm just getting my day started. I just got ready for the day, as you saw in the clip. For the most part, we pretty much have everything going. Like, The clothes are all hung up for the most part. I need to buy more hangers, so I can't finish hanging up the rest of the clothes until I get more hangers. I'll probably do that this evening. But I'm just kind of going through and unboxing some more like decor stuff. I didn't really want to dig into the decor until I had this mostly put together. We finally ordered a couch. Oh my gosh, it literally took us, I'm not even kidding, like 3 days straight to pick and choose a couch, because just the way like our living room is set up and whatnot, we needed it to be a certain, so we wanted a sectional couch, a shape L sectional couch, and so it had to be like shaped the right way, and I wanted, you know, like a certain color, and just, it was madness. So we finally decided one on last night, and that is supposed to be here, I think, sometime this weekend. And then our bed and our daughter's bed will be here this week, so I'm really excited about that. So this right here is like kitchen decor pretty much. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on our table as a centerpiece or on our countertop, but my grandmother actually got this for us when we were in Colorado recently, and it's from Home Goods? Hobby Lobby. These are from Hobby Lobby. So I got this and this to go together. So I'm gonna place that, like I said, I don't know, either on the countertop or on the table. But originally when I got that, in my mind, I had the countertop thought out. So that's where it might go. While we were in Colorado, we went to Ross, because me and Ross are like this. They have the cutest things there sometimes, and on the low, everyone knows that. So we actually got these. My fiance actually picked them out. And at first I was like, I didn't really want color like in the house. But honestly, I feel like they're pretty. They're not like super vibrant. They're pretty neutral, I would say. But they're just like little decor that can go on your countertops. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put them yet, but they're really cute. So this is like a Louis Vuitton Pinot Grigio, and it's so cute. And you just like set them on your countertop. They're like blocks almost. You just set them on your countertop. But look at how cute. And this one is the Gucci Champagne. This one is also really super freaking cute. I woke up with a headache, and and I could have swore we had some like in our medicine box that I packed, but there's none. There's none. There's no ibuprofen. There was Tylenol, and I took some Tylenol the other day because I also had a headache the other day, and now I can't find it. So to go right there, but how do you guys think that looks? I think it's pretty cute. But like I said, I don't know if I want to do it on the countertop or on the table. And probably my knife set and stuff over here. And I also need a fruit basket. Currently my fruit is just chilling. So yeah, I need a fruit basket. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. I don't want my countertops to be too crowded. I want them to look nice, neat, and elegant. So this is our table. It's super cute. I love the legs on the table. I think that's so different, and I'm obsessed. I don't know if they're gonna stay there, but for now that's where they'll be. And like I said, I need a fruit bowl because my fruits are kind of just chilling. Paper towel holder. I'm gonna find one that I really like on Amazon, and then I'll purchase that. Here's my little knife set up over here. We'll see. I'm just kind of playing around with everything, you guys, and like I said, I feel like once my furniture comes in and everything really starts rolling, I will be able to figure out where I want everything. You guys, this is what our room looks like right now. I still have to put my vanity back together, but my fiance is gonna do that because this part is like kind of loose. So he wants to fix that. Then I'm going to deep clean my drawers because they are a little crusty musty. This is what we've been sleeping on. Fresh little, clean little air mattress. So the next vlog you guys see, we will have our bed set. So I'm super excited for that. This big dresser is temporary. I'm only gonna have this until I can find a smaller one because it takes up so much closet space and I don't really like that. I kind of want my closet space and I kind of need it for my shoes because these are only not even half of my shoes. I still have most of my shoes in a container because they don't fit. And then these are just like all clothes that I still need to put away. So next vlog you guys see, I'm going to have my bed set. My whole room is going to be done up. And they're, you know, the whole thing. All right, I'm gonna take a little break from unboxing. I feel like I've been going at it for a day straight and it's exhausting. I'm gonna have some grapes. I'm probably gonna get some editing done. By the way, I don't know if I've ever had candied grapes before. Good flavor, but I don't like how mushy they are. I'll show you guys what grapes I got. So the candy grapes, they have really good flavor, I'm not gonna lie, but that like mushy texture is kind of throwing me off, but whatever. I'm not left-handed, so let's see how this goes. Oh, that was way off. Oh my, so embarrassing. Oh, I got that one. Hey. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm so excited for you guys to see the next one because like I said, it's gonna be like all of our bed sets getting here, pretty much our furniture. And yeah, and then that just means we're one step closer to our entire apartment being put together, aside from like little things here and there that I want to get, but it'll all come in due time. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.